Hi, I'm Kevin from the Brandetize email marketing team, and today I'm going to tell you why nobody is reading your emails. The harsh reality is that there could be hundreds of reasons why people aren't reading what you wrote. It could be your writing style is confusing or boring or lacks a build-up to a peak crescendo. Or maybe it just runs on and on and on and on, way too long, kind of like this sentence. Either way, it doesn't much matter. What does matter is that you need to change all of this, because if you want to make money or change the world or grow your business to 6 or 7 or 8 figures, then you need people to discover your message. So here are my top 8 tips to get people to read what you wrote. First, your emails are too long. You know what TLDR is? It means too long, didn't read. And if your emails aren't getting read, maybe they're too long. So there's a time and a place for long format writing, but it's not in your emails. Save it for your blog or your sales page, or maybe even Vanity Fair. Second, your emails aren't conversational. If your email falls into the spam inbox forest, will anyone be there to read it? The short answer is no. The long answer is boring, but it also involves complicated algorithms, email encryption keys, SPF, no, that's not a sunscreen, and not acting like a robot or a broadcasting company. In other words, create a conversation with your readers. And for God's sakes, fix your email deliverability problems. Third, your subject lines are lame. If your subject lines and snippet, or preview text lack pizzazz, nobody will open your emails. Take it up a few notches. Do what great headline writers do. Write and rewrite. Try again, and then try again. Come up with subject line gold by using what's trending and topical. Create curiosity, ask questions, use emojis, use them sparingly, and get them to open your emails. The fact is, they can't read your email if they never open, and you can't argue with facts. Fourth, your paragraphs have too many lines. To fix this, use what's called the bucket brigade method. To do this, simply break your content up into smaller, bite-sized chunks. Use smaller paragraphs and lines of text, add ellipses, add call-out boxes, get them reading, get them scrolling. You can use bullets and list formats and other tools to break down your content and tell the user what's important. You can bold things, use italics. There's a reason the best copywriters use this stuff, and that's because it works. Fifth, you're not giving anyone a reason to take action. Use the word because often. Why? Because people need reasons to do things. Give them a reason and they will take action. 6, you're not asking them to read your emails. Leaders are readers. Along the same lines of point 5, give them a reason to do something. Remind your list that the most successful people in the world read all the time. By doing this, you are subconsciously giving them a little nudge, essentially saying, "Psst, hey, you over there, remember to read this, and start here." Here's some swipe copy you can use. Did you know the most successful person of our time, Warren Buffett, reads over 500 pages per day? He's always learning and reading. Hey, if it's good enough for Warren, it should be good enough for you. 7th, your CTA is terrible. Guess what? Click here is not a CTA. In fact, it's one of the most ignored commands on the entire internet. Nobody wants to click on something that they don't know what it is. Think of all the spam websites out there. It just says click here. Click here means, hey pal, when you click on this, you have no idea what's about to happen. You could get some pop-ups or a sales page or an order form or spam, or hey, if you're really lucky, maybe all of the above. Instead, try a call to action that gets them to take action. A good example might be discover 5 ways to write killer subject lines. 8th, you don't stand out from other emails. The average person receives 121 emails each day, and that's the average person. I'm guessing for someone like you, a busy person, you probably get 200 or 300 emails a day. So the bottom line is, if you're getting this many emails, you really need to stand out in the inbox. Now I'd like to hear from you. What is your most memorable marketing email you've ever received? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and I'll follow up with you. Again, my name is Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video about getting your emails read, hit the like button and please share this video with your friends. And if you want more marketing content, subscribe to the Brandetize marketing channel. For more marketing resources and to discuss how Brandetize can help you and your business, visit us at our website at brandetize.com.